Greetings from my kitchen here in sunny Los Angeles, California. Welcome to At Home with Six Senses. My name is Dr. Jory. I'm a licensed acupuncturist and medical herbalist. Today, I'm going to show you how to make magnesium oil with 4 really simple ingredients that you can gather up in your home, and it's going to produce a great product to induce relaxation, hopefully help with sleep and any sort of muscle tension you have in your body. So let's get started. All right, so we're going to go over the ingredients that you need to prepare the magnesium oil spray today, all right? So the first ingredient we have is distilled water. This is the main ingredient. If you don't have distilled water, you're welcome to boil tap water and bring it to room temperature. The second ingredient we have are magnesium chloride flakes. It is really important to use magnesium chloride and not magnesium sulfate, as this topically is going to be absorbed in the body much better. So magnesium chloride flakes, you can find it at your local apothecary, or you can go online and order it. In terms of essential oils, I'm going to use 4 different ones today. Lavender for calming and anxiety, arnica for inflammation, rosemary to boost the immune system, and finally, eucalyptus. One of my favorites. Helps with immune function and also the lungs. And then in terms of containers, you want to have a small spray bottle. I'm using this Myron spray bottle, but you're welcome to recycle. I also have this old hair product that I've recycled the bottle, and we'll also use that. Lastly, we're going to need a container to mix all of these amazing organic ingredients together. So I'm using a mason jar, okay? And a 1/4 cup measuring tool. The first thing we're going to do is take our mason jar, take the distilled water. Let's pop the top off this. There we go. I want you to fill your mason jar about halfway full of distilled water. You can add more depending on the size of your container, but half should suffice. You're going to take the 1/4 cup measuring and scoop out 2 level 1/4 cups of magnesium chloride into the solution. You're going to take your lavender, 10 drops, or in this case, 1 capful, into the solution. The arnica oil, same thing, either 10 drops or 1 capful into the solution. The eucalyptus, 10 drops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Maybe 1 for good luck. And finally, the rosemary, the immune boosting rosemary, 10 drops of that. Okay. Once you've got it all in there, take your lid, turn it on, and give it a good shake. We want to shake all of these ingredients up to emulsify the essential oils and to dissolve the magnesium chloride. And what you're going to start to see happen, I don't know if you can see, is it's going to start turning into like a milky solution. That is exactly the right consistency and proportions that we need for the spray. And as you can see, it happens very quickly. It's now dissolved. There is your finished product. We're going to take it. If you have a funnel, you can use a funnel. I'm going to use this pitcher of sorts, pour a little bit of the magnesium oil in, and then very carefully begin to fill my jar. There we go. Put the cap on, give it another shake, And then to use, simply spray 3 or 4 sprays on large muscle groups. The neck, the chest, the legs. 3 or 4 is all you need. 1, 2, maybe 3 on the neck. Give it a little rub. You may feel a little bit of tingling. That's totally normal. That is the magnesium chloride taking effect. So just caution when you are using this, if you're taking any diuretics, heart medication, antibiotics, or antiplatelet medication, that you consult with your physician first before using a product such as this. I hope you've enjoyed this simple at-home tutorial to help you make magnesium spray, inducing relaxation, calming the nervous system, and releasing any muscle tension that you may have. Thank you for joining me at home with Six Senses. Warm wishes.